Welcome back, everybody, to another Stinkleberry Farmer. I'm in Waterloo, Iowa. Yes, Waterloo, Iowa. I drove down here last night, the 3 hours it took. Just checked out on my rustic campground here, and I've got another 2 hours on the road where I'm gonna try to show you some things. If I can find something, sure I will. I'm heading to meet Chefin outside, and Van Camp 402, who I guess has picked up a hitchhiker or something on his way, which is better than the dolls he's been picking up lately on the side of the road. So let's get at it. It's a bit breezy, wintry mix tomorrow. This should be fun. And here we are. I'm not going to pronounce that. I'm going to ask. Beautiful countryside driving here, especially the last hour coming from Dyersville to here. It was amazing. Look at that. Silos, cows over here. 60 degrees right now, just over 60 degrees. Tomorrow's gonna be completely different. I think 40s and possible winter mix is what they're saying. This is gorgeous. I know Chefin's here, and Van Camp should be here shortly too, so I'm gonna go ahead and find the campground. Visitor center's closed. And oh yeah, there are caves to go hiking tomorrow. That's going to be fantastic. Still got some leaves on the trees down here. see chefing. He's been waiting for me for hours. All right, and we have arrived. Chefin is here with a fire.
Can't fully establish.
Tarp engaged.
And holding it down.
And it worked last night. You said you had some rain.
Yep.
And it worked.
Yep, dry as a bone.
Okay. You may be helping me with mine tonight.
Okay.
For the rain tomorrow.
Yep.
I might need an expert. And he also has a special guest with him.
Got my kitty.
Yeah. Stray cat. I guess he comes with the campsite is what I'm being told.
Right, basically.
Yeah? All right.
Campsite 19 or 17, whatever this is. You also get a cat.
All right. Well, good to see you.
Great to be back.
We're going to have an excellent time here after I get set up and Dave finds the park.
If he finds it.
I am all set up here. Do have electric on this run. It's supposed to be cold tomorrow. Tonight's not going to be that bad. I probably won't even use the heater tonight, but it's an option for tonight. Tomorrow night, I most certainly will. Just the usual setup here with the cot, the chair, table. Very nice. So I picked this spot so Dave could kind of be the central spot there in the middle, and then Chefin's got his private spot down here. I think somebody's scheduled to be in here this weekend right next to me, but I'll probably be hanging out with those guys down there, so won't be as bad. I think Chef and I are going to go for a little bit of a hike here, a little bit of walk, check things out a bit, and then waiting on Dave. And only a couple hours of daylight left to go here, so there probably won't be a whole lot of filming at night. This camera doesn't do well. We'll try to get some bits and pieces in here tonight and tomorrow night, but when the sun goes down at 5, it's hard to film. Also, for the first time this year, I have put this other layer underneath. Kind of helps with the heat somewhat in the colder times. So I've got the extra blanket over the top there. Air still gets in, but it's not as bad. And then it's supposed to rain a lot possibly tomorrow. I might have Chefin, the expert of tarps, help me do something on top here with a tarp tomorrow. We'll see what happens with that. All right, heading over. Show you some of these other sites since I don't know what tomorrow's going to bring. There's me up there, the center one where Van Camp's probably going to be, and there's Chefin tarping it up over there. They've got a parking area over here for all these primitive sites where you can just kind of walk in. Like that one's not very far. Let's walk into one of them here and check them out. I think this water was working, he said too. Thirteen's my lucky number. I'll walk into this one. Super nice back here. Yeah, you're far away from the road up there. Not too far of a walk with your stuff. Beautiful little valley. Got a little color left on the trees. It's gonna be very private and nice back here.
Look at that. Maybe.
Hey.
Maybe you get a haircut? Look at you. It's all trim and proper. So. Good girl. Got your ball. Yeah, you see it.
Hello. Hi, buddy. Hi. Yeah.
I think I'll go. Okay. All right. I'll let you know. Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right, we got Chefin on undoing the Christmas lights here. Mr. Griswold is going to take care of that. Before we lose light, we've got a little bit of light. Hey. We got Van Camp is here with us finally.
Yeah.
Long journey, like me, right?
It was a drive today.
Yeah.
It was, yeah. But it was beautiful. So yeah.
Great. And then we got a fourth guest.
Yep. Sorry, I don't want.
There we go, in the light. Name, occupation, no, just name.
I'm Dom. You guys can follow me on Instagram at DomVisuals. I just do photography, and that's about it.
Awesome.
You'll put a link in for you, won't
We
you?
will, yes, definitely.
for his
Good to have you with us. Van Camp is making us, it seems like late night coffee, but it's only 5 o'clock.
Right.
So it seems like the middle of the night.
That's
But
I'm like, God, we haven't even had dinner or anything.
Yeah.
Coming off as aged individuals.
this old guy playing with the lights and making coffee at night. Okay.
Yep.
So not a lot going on tonight probably, but we'll probably catch up in the morning.
Dom, how old are you?
I'm 26.
Now you're 36.
Yeah.
You've aged. All right. Well, good morning, everybody. I slept really well. I only used the heater here for a little bit. Got a couple animals out here roaming around. See the other one. Looks like Dave just got up too.
It's not even pieces. I'm not gonna be.
No,
I'm
you
not
go.
gonna be the problem.
I'm gonna
starter
be the one. I'm gonna have only one. The dog will get it if you don't.
Oh, I'm good with one too, guys. I'm not gonna need a ton.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and my cooking is done for the day.
That's not fair.
Knocked it out early. Well, breakfast is done. I'm all dressed up for cave dwelling, I guess. I do have waterproof pants on. My boots, hopefully, are somewhat waterproof. And rain is supposed to move in within the next couple hours. So, gonna do this hike, and then we're gonna get back and deal with rain, I think.
I know there's one around here. I seen it yesterday.
A pit toilet?
No,
Oh, a deer?
a trailhead.
Oh, trailhead.
Right down there, behind the filter.
And that'll loop us around.
As far as I know.
Okay, as far as I know.
Yeah.
I'm not saying yes or no.
There one way or the other.
Okay. All right, we're heading down to the valley and into the caves, which go underneath these hills, I believe, in here. So we're gonna hike in there, possibly over there as well. Morning.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
All right.
Did you go down here yesterday?
No, I didn't even come to this side at all.
Man, it gets super quiet in here too, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
You can actually go underneath where you are. It goes right underneath and over there too, it looks like. Look at this rock structure right there.
Oh, is that cool?
That's good. That's a cool shot.
Looks like a giant, looks like a giant spine or something.
Yeah. Pretty wicked. That's not natural, right?
Maybe not. It looks like maybe they put mud.
Dude, this is so cool.
Look at the way that opens up into the trees there.
and go over and go do that the other side then?
I'm just gonna go on this bridge real quick.
No.
Absolutely. That's crazy. That thing you just came off of, it's not even, it's like, it's stacked. There's like a hole behind it.
Oh, yeah, right. Well,
Now I'll tell you that, now that you're done.
one of these days that's gonna
It seems like it would more come this way with the weight of it,
famous last word.
but all you need is one little thing to loosen here,
You can see right underneath.
and that's a bad day.
Oh, that is balanced indeed.
Knew you were there. We knew. We just weren't sure what corner.
God, that river we crossed in Minnesota, that was sketchy. Ice.
The ice one, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we had to jump across. Right. Yeah, that was awesome.
Okay, so, oh, that, I guess, no, the stairs to the left lead to a cave. And then if we go right, that goes back to the campground.
All right. Which
so
way
let's go check out that cave real quick.
All right. That's what we're here for.
I think.
Great pick, Chef, and this is amazing.
A little loose gravel here.
Yeah. It's starting to rain.
Uh-oh.
I heard it before I felt it. I just felt one little drop. Just got back from our hike. It is almost noon. The rain has started, and north and northwest of here is ice and snow. Don't know if that's going to hit us or not, but definitely there is some rain coming this way. Chefin is starting some lunch. Pork chop.
Dude, we should just do the burgers with that too, huh?
We can, yeah.
You tell,
Just kind of depends on like how persistent this rain's going to be.
I'm not trying to make work for you.
Hey, I think it really just depends on how wet it's going to get.
Yeah.
If we can
oh, I see, yeah.
stoke this, get this going again. So.
Yeah. Do you want?
I don't think the heavy stuff's coming down for a while.
Thank God for this awning.
Yeah. This would suck. We'd be under your own.
I have constructed the tarp, which I almost never do, but had a little free time here while Chefin's cooking, so maybe this will help keep some of the water out from inside the tent. We'll see a bit later. It seems to be at least running down the front instead of right into it, so should help a little bit at least. Chefin's finishing up dinner. Lunch, I should say. We're gonna eat soon.
I wonder what the immediate impact though of the rain is on the caves.
Like today's?
Yeah, like if is this enough rain for the water to go over the walkways, or is it dripping through the ceiling? Like,
well, Dave and New Guy went down to the caves to take some pictures, And Chef and I are just hanging up here. He was here a moment ago. I don't know. It's trying to dry out. Let's stay warm. Might be a little hard to see here. It's like 7 o'clock, but yeah. Got snow on my hood. First of the year. I don't know that we're gonna get a lot more, but I think it's like 32 now. We've just been hanging out in the van, keeping warm in there. Keeping the spirit alive, camping. Van camp spent at least 2 hours peeling, boiling potatoes, cooking burgers in the small area, and it turned out amazing. More like a Salisbury steak, but when it's 30 degrees, it was heaven. Back in the tent for the night, man, I just turned this on for a few minutes and I'm just roasting with this thing on, so it's very nice. It's about 32 degrees somewhere in there right now. The rain is slowing, snow. The best news is it is completely dry inside this tent. It's been raining for 10 plus hours. With that tarp really helped because there's no water in here at all. So it's very nice. All right. Gonna just kind of dry out a bit here and you'll see me in the morning. We'll say a good goodbyes. At one point it was down to 27. It's already warmed up to 30. Didn't have this on all night. I mean, I did like for a couple hours here and there, but just was comfortable inside the bag. Comfortable enough to sleep. Bits of ice on here on top of the tarp. Again, it worked fantastic. Not a drop of rain on the inside this time, which was a huge win in that cold last night. Would have made things really bad. Van Camp's getting his stuff together. Oh, he said the room service is great at this campground. Thank you so much. Van Camp just brought me over a fresh cup of coffee on a cold morning. How wonderful is that? Welcome to the Hallmark Channel Christmas edition here as it snows. The coffee is being put away for the day, for the trip. The last tent is being taken down. And we're awaiting goodbyes. Well, I'm all packed up and ready to go. As is Van Camp 402 and Chefin outside down there. We are going to head down and do a quick hike though, a little hike. It's a little raw, but it's beautiful. We were about to leave. Chefin needs another jump. I think it drained it right down because I think this. All right, let's switch them. Great. Try. Yay! It would not be an outing with the three of us if we weren't jumping Chefin's vehicle.
Man, I gotta make sure I get this charged up for you.
Now we are ready to head out down back to the caves for another hike. Alright, so we're back at the kind of the main trail area here where the caves are. And yesterday, part of the caves we went down there through stairways, and you go underneath the road actually here, and I think it kind of goes underneath this hill and opens up where we were yesterday, that big area down there. So this is where we were yesterday, and we went right through there and right underneath the caves, underneath the street itself. All right, from balanced rock, hanging on by a thread. There he goes.
Oh, Chefin, don't push it. Don't
No,
push it.
he's holding on to it. Van Cam 402.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for doing a lot of dishes yesterday.
Oh,
Man,
gosh,
and-
yeah, that's right. You were doing tons
was.
of things,
And 3-hour cook-off last night
You're right.
in
Oh
the
my
van.
God.
So
Yeah.
the weather was not great, but we had a great time. Yesterday morning was great. As soon as we got back from our hike, not so much.
Right,
But
started
yeah,
beating down on us.
yeah.
Yep.
Chefing
I
out,
feel like that.
chefing outside. Thank you for setting this up.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
never
My
would have.
pleasure.
I've never been here in my life. Would probably have never drove by here. So
Right. I mean,
new
it's been years
experience.
before I even visited here, had we not, been linking up like this. So I'm happy to.
Yeah.
It's a great place to come.
Thanks. And we're going to do the collaborate video feature thingy that's new to YouTube. So should connect everybody's together.
Yep.
The other thing is, I don't know how it works, but there's a hype button now.
Okay.
Yeah, I've seen it
right?
too. You can hype videos, and there's like a rank system, and
Yeah.
if you are in like a top 100, you get a little bit better push or something like
Yeah.
that. I'm not exactly sure.
So I don't say subscribe to myself a lot, but subscribe. These guys, hype them.
Hype them up. Hype them up.
Believe the hype.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks again, guys.
You
Appreciate it.
Yeah, great
Thanks for
hanging
coming,
out.
brother.
Yeah.
Thanks. Well, that's all for this one. Thanks for coming along on this ride with me. If you're new here, thanks for joining me as well. And those of you over from Van Camp and Sheffin, appreciate you watching as well. I'm heading down this dirt road home. I don't know how far it goes, but might as well take this way. Thanks again for watching. Weather was not great yesterday. Probably didn't film as much as we would have, or I would have, but just not great weather yesterday. It's back down to 29 degrees and very breezy right now, so let's get in the car and get out of here. Thanks again for watching.
Here. Nice. Right?
Yeah. Good thing I wore the blue so you can see.
Oh no, that's what I mean. Oh, am I right in your shot?
Not anymore.